How to install YouTube app in Windows 11 laptop. So first open up Microsoft Edge and YouTube. With YouTube opened up, press the three little lines here for the settings and more in the top right hand corner. Come down, select apps, and then you want to select install YouTube. Then select install. Once this pops up, it should be done relatively quickly. There you go, we've installed it, and once it is installed you'll get this extra pop-up, app installed, and you want to pin to taskbar and pin to start, and select allow. Would you like to pin YouTube to your taskbar? Press yes. Now when we X everything away, here is YouTube installed onto your Windows 11 laptop. So that's how to install the YouTube app in Windows 11 laptop. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.